In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a lesson on BOFAclassroom. Before you can create a lesson, you'll need to have pupils imported and activated. You'll need to assign them to teaching groups, which also means creating teacher accounts, and then you can create your lessons. If you are unsure how to do any of these things, you can find tutorial videos that will guide you through it. Creating a lesson is done in much the same way as creating groups or classes. Click My Account, find the Manage Lessons link in the sidebar, and you'll see a My Lessons list. To add a new lesson, click the green button in the corner. You'll need to choose a lesson name, choose a class of pupils to invite to the lesson, and then a time and date for the lesson to start. You can upload any resources you would like to use in your lesson, such as a PowerPoint, here, using the Lesson Resources feature. All uploaded files are automatically converted to PDF, so it may be easier for you to do that before you upload a file. You can then check that the formatting is as you would like it to be. If you're uploading a presentation that includes animation, the animation will be lost in the conversion, so you're best to use screen sharing during your lesson instead. You can watch our tutorial on screen sharing to learn more about this. When you're ready, click Save and you'll see your lesson scheduled in your My Lessons list. You can go in and out of your lesson using the Join as Teacher button here. When you join, your lesson will be opened in a new tab. We recommend you join a lesson before you invite your pupils so that you can check you're happy with your uploaded resources. You can create lessons in the same way you might usually do your lesson planning. Plan your lessons days, weeks or months in advance and find them all here, ready for you to start when you choose. For help on how to start a lesson, watch our Starting a Lesson tutorial.